Okay, euro dollar. So these dollar pairs are bullish, but I don't know if they'll stay bullish. So this one's another iffy thing because right now the dollar, I looked at it earlier, it had pulled back up but then was coming back down now and continuing its trend downwards. So the US dollar is weakening, therefore it's going to push this pair up as long as the euro itself stays strong enough, because then it gets iffy and then it's just a balancing act if the euro doesn't stay strong. But based on this, so we're going to move these over. We're going to figure out a monthly outlook here. I think taking the safe stance would be to assume this is still bullish and it's still going to go up this month, no problem. You can see, it's made higher highs and now it's finding some resistance here. So that's good as well. So, and I remember if we looked at this retracement here, yeah, so it's coming down to the 50% just perfect. So that also lines up really, really well. So as far as a bullish long buy entry right now, we got a lot of good signs. So next step, we can delete this zone. Well, no, we'll leave that zone. We'll delete this zone though. We'll keep this one. We got to figure out what our monthly range is. So about 400 pips, 450. We can say 400 though, be a little conservative. Then we're going to move these up. These are our range markers I got here. And I want to find a evenish number. So 1095 is going to be my low for the month. And then 113.5 is going to be my high. So that's your 400 pip range that this pair usually moves in a month. It's finding resistance in this zone. This is right at the 50% level. So I do think this is a good buy. I do think the dollar index is going the right direction too. It's going back down, which is going to push this pair up because they're inversely correlated. So I think this is an excellent trade coming up pretty quick here. What's going to happen is you want to see price hit this area here and reject, obviously. Oops, I want to bring this down to here. So you want price to hit this zone, reject, and then you want to confirm it on a few different time frames here. So the only thing is you want to see structure change as well. So this is something we might have to wait for, because if you look at this 4-hour structure right now, it's very bearish. It's trends down, flat, trends down, pulls back a little bit, big bear candles. These are big. That's a big bearish engulfing 4-hour candle right into this zone. So we definitely need more confirmation on this zone first. You can see price also broke down across the moving average. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit for some more confirmation, but I do think this is a good area to buy. It's just I want to wait for the confirmation personally. I don't want to take anything I don't have to take without if I could just wait a couple more days and then know for sure pretty much, then I would wait. So I want price to dip into this zone, and then I want it to change structure. And so what I mean by that is right now you have bearish structure, lower lows and lower highs. Now we need the opposite. So we need something like this. We need price to come down here, reject, come like this, and like this, and like that. So I need this structure to change. Ideally on the 4-hour, but possibly on the 1-hour. You can see it it made this double top here on the 1-hour. So we have to wait. That's all I can say about that. We have to wait. We need something like this. We need the overall structure of the price to change before we enter. Even if price comes down right now into this zone and rejects, that's not enough for me, because I can still see that there's been recently a ton of bear momentum. I can see prices below this 4-hour moving average, technically, because it is right now. So, if that doesn't cross over yet, then I don't even know if the bulls are retaking the market. So, and it's still early in the week, so it might take some time still. That's no problem. But we're gonna have to wait for something like this to occur first. We need that structure to change before we enter a long position. And then once it does, I think we're good to go, and you'll nab 400 pips pretty much, just right out of the gate here, kind of thing. So, or close to 400, maybe like 350, even 300. I mean, that's a great trade. So, wait that out. Wait for euro dollar to line up properly, and then we'll take that trade.